Hello. Hey, I've gotten some questions on the Horizon project, and just thought we'd just go over an example with you. The project has an example, but I thought I would do this one. I was at Stone Mountain yesterday, hiking up Stone Mountain with the scout troop, and applying what's in our Horizon project. Well, your question is, Stone Mountain from the ground to the top is about 825 feet, according to the park. And how far can you see? You'll notice that's it planted there in the background. So here, if you were to step away from the side, and here is the world. That's the center of the world. Um, this part here, these are both the radii of the world. And this is roughly 3,963 miles. I use miles. And if you convert that to feet, times 5,280, it's a big amount of feet right there. So you'll notice here we've got this is just a right triangle. Like here's the top of Stone Mountain right here. I'm looking how far can I see the horizon to? This would be like the ground if there were no trees. If the world was a smooth cue ball and there were no trees and you just had this mountain, here's how far you could see. So here's the short side, that's the radius of the Earth. So the hypotenuse here is going to be the radius of the Earth plus the height of Stone Mountain. And so that's going to be 825 plus, 20.9 million is that big number right there. Now, here's Pythagorean theorem. Here's our hypotenuse. Let's just plug everything in. 20,924 plus b squared is equal to that. And we're just going to run the Pythagorean theorem. Rewrite it. Subtract this from both sides. And we're going to get the square root of all that. Just showing my work here. And this is 185,812 feet, or I went and divided that by, lost my slide, 5,280, and you wind up with, it's about 35 miles. So if you were at the very top of Stone Mountain and there were no trees, no obstructions, it was clear, and you were looking to the ground, you could see about 35 miles. In reality, you probably can see further because you could see buildings way off in the distance, which would be further up, which would make for a longer horizon. But this is just saying going to the ground. So when you're doing this project, you just really this is all the work that you're doing. If you just kind of have an idea how tall a building is, you can guesstimate how far out you could see. Hope this helps somewhat, and you all have a good day.